So back on the raw data tab, we're going to go select all, or up here at the top above the one to the left of the A. Either way, select all, data, sort range, and we want to advanced range sorting options. Checkbox that my data has a header row, and we're going to sort by month. So this is everybody's birth month. This is everybody's birth month. Control and the arrow up key on your Chromebook will take you back to the top of the screen. Again, mine's doing little weird stuff because I'm on a different device. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to add a new sheet. I'm going to rename it month. And in A1 I'm going to type birth month. And I'm going to start listing out the months. If you spell February correctly, if you spell them all correctly, you can highlight the first three, then bottom right corner, grab and drag down, and it'll fill in the rest of them for you. Otherwise, you're going to need to type them. That's totally up to you. Okay, so the raw data. Now you could sort through here and start counting January, February, but I'm just going to start at the top. So April is count 7. August is count 9. I'm going to pause the recording. So I went ahead and filled in the rest of the data. Now it's time to fix the data table. Selecting A1 through B1 because that's all our data goes over is this first two columns. I'm going to click the merge button, and while I'm at it, go ahead and center. Select all your data, and let's go format, alternate colors. Do I care which colors you pick? Nope, that's totally up to you. Now, if for some reason you don't have this selected, when you go to insert chart, like if you don't have anything selected, you're going to get no data. If you get a no data, just click on it. These three little dots here, delete chart. So again, make sure it's selected so you get the actual data. Insert, chart. And it's going to give me a line chart. That looks kind of weird. I'm going to grab up here at the top in the white and move it over. First things first, I'm going to rename it from versus birth month to just birth month. And up here over on the right, I'm on setup. If you haven't got it, go back to setup. And instead of line chart, let's go with pie. It's kind of hard to see how they look fairly even. Let's try the column chart. That one works better for me. So again, sorry, rename it after you pick the type. And let's go to customize, series, and let's just recolor all of them a different color. So if I click any color, it goes like that. It's going to recolor all of them the same color. But I want to pull out my birth month, so I'm going to click once and then one more time on just my birth month. Notice it's the only one that got the highlighting around it. Make that your birth month just a slightly different color so we know which one is you. Again, make your birth month a slightly different color so we know which one is you. I went back to customize, so I'm back here on the columns for everything. And I want to see, so again, I'm still in this section here called series. I want to see the data labels. So click on data labels and it'll put all the numbers in here so I know how much each month it was for. And that's how you do the birth month chart.